Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and let's jump into today's projects. Now we're gonna make something using this piece of wood that I cut in a triangle and I cut the edges to make it rounder. And I'm using watermelon red, green, black, pink, and also snow white. And first we're gonna start by using our green and we're gonna paint the edge like so of that piece of wood. I'm gonna let you know what we're making a little bit later. And we're gonna continue painting like that and we're gonna paint the sides. And now I'm moving on to paint a white line. Just like that, with a paintbrush, paint a white line between the wood and the green. And now, after we finish with that white, we're gonna move on to paint pink. And I guess you know by now what we're making because you saw the thumbnail. We're making a watermelon slice. And I'm adding that pink, but don't worry, we're gonna blend it just like makeup. We're gonna blend that pink. You won't see a lot of pink over there. And now I'm gonna paint the sides also, just like that. After that, we're gonna move on to adding our watermelon red. And I'm adding a lot of it, and now I'm starting to paint, and don't worry, it doesn't look blended, but we're gonna blend just like makeup. Continue painting until you have everything covered like that. And then we're gonna go back to the blending part. For that, we're gonna use that paintbrush and also the one that we use with pink. And I'm just adding a little bit of pink to my brush so we can start blending it like that. And then I'm gonna go back to the pink paintbrush and I'm gonna add a little bit of red and I'm gonna start blending it also. And as you can see all of that pink. And now it's well blended, ready for a photo shoot. And let it dry, and then we're gonna start doing our seeds. For that we need black paint and a small paintbrush. We're gonna paint all of our seeds like that. And as you can see, it's looking like a watermelon slice. Add all of your beautiful seeds, and then I'm gonna sponge a little bit of lime green on the rim, and that will be it. Now we're gonna make a cute birdhouse, and for that I'm gonna use watermelon red, white, black, green, some pink, and sublime lime, and we're gonna make it look like a watermelon. And for that I'm painting all of the white color that you see here using my watermelon red. If you wanna see how I made this cute house, I'm gonna leave you in the description box down below the link for the video that I made it. And now I'm gonna use the green to paint my ceiling so it looks like outside of a melon, and I'm having some issues with the brush. If you like what you see here and you like couple of silly jokes and also modern farmhouse fall decor that we're going there right now for our next video, and boho decor, subscribe because that's what I do here. And now I'm painting my door except for the details and my windows using pink, and I'm gonna give it 2 coats and paint it really nicely so it looks really cute. And after I finish with those, the windows and the door, yes, I'm gonna go back to the ceiling so we can sponge, and you will see how cute that looks. We're gonna sponge some lime green. Okay, I don't know what's going on with me today. And I'm gonna sponge that sublime lime using a makeup sponge so we can create the same pattern the watermelon has on the outside on our ceiling. And look at that, it's so cute. And now I'm gonna continue everything that's green, adding those details. And we're gonna move on to the details on our windows and our door. Just like that. After we finish with that, we're gonna paint the wreath using black so it looks like watermelon seeds. And it's so cute. They look like seeds actually. And after that, I'm gonna touch up everything that just got a little bit more paint that I wanted, or maybe doesn't have paint, and that will be it. We will have a beautiful house. Watermelon. This is part of the Foodie DIY challenge, and this is for the month of August, and it's hosted by Nadia from DIY with Nadia and Sandra from the Schwowin's Nest. I'm gonna leave you in the description box down below the links for their channel so you can go and check them out, and also the link for the playlist for this month challenge. I know you're gonna find lots of beautiful things over there and on their channels. First, as you can see, I have everything painted here because I painted ahead. If not, you will be watching me paint a lot. And now I took some string, and that's fishing line, and I just pull some of that from the spool, and I'm adding a pattern of green, white, pink, and red, watermelon red. And I'm gonna continue adding them to my string until I have finished all of them, and I have each of them are 8. I have 8 each. And we're gonna continue threading them through the string like that until we're finished. And then we're gonna take the watermelon that you saw there, and I'm gonna add lots of hot glue and hold it while it dries so we can move on to the other end. And in the other end, I just cut a piece, and now I'm threading a tassel that I had at home and just tying it up like that. And then I'm gonna thread that leftover fishing line through 2 of the beads, and then I'm gonna cut the excess, and that's it. Beautiful garland. Now moving on to our sign that I made last week. I'm gonna use the watermelon red and also pink and green to add some color to it. And for that, I'm gonna paint my coffee mug like that using the red. And also, after I finish painting that, I'm gonna paint some pink on that beautiful heart. Now I'm gonna move on to the heart, and for that I'm using the pink, and I'm just shading a little bit of the side of that heart, and that's it. We're gonna move to the leaves, and I'm adding green to the sides of my leaves. And after we finish, we will have a beautiful sign that goes with our watermelon decor. Like that. It's beautiful. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, we have the beautiful garland over here. I'm in love with this piece. And also, we have the watermelon slice on the back. There it is. Beautiful as well. And we have the coffee sign that I made last week. And it's looking really, really cute with their new colors. And over here, we have the watermelon inspired birdhouse. It's so cute. It's perfect for a tier tray. Remember that in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.